times, your motorcycle may face issues like engine overheating, white smoke, or engine oil leakage. There's nothing to worry about. A quick check of oil level can solve it. It is always recommended to get it checked at a Royal Enfield authorized service center at regular intervals. However, you can also do it by following these easy steps. What you will need to perform this task are 1 can of Royal Enfield engine oil, 1 funnel and a plastic beaker. Step 1. Ensure that the motorcycle is on the center stand. Step 2. Switch on the engine and gently raise the RPM for 10 seconds. Step 3. Leave the motorcycle in idling condition for 15 seconds. Step 4. Switch off the engine and wait for the oil to settle down. It will approximately take about 2 minutes. Now, inspect the engine oil level. It should be at the maximum level mark. If in case the oil level is not at maximum condition, then top up oil to the max mark. Repeat the steps 1 to 4 to check if the level is right this time. Always use genuine Royal Enfield engine oil. To fill oil, first open the engine oil filler cap. Place the funnel and gently pour the recommended engine oil till the level reaches the maximum mark. Tighten the oil filler cap properly. There are few important things you should always remember. Do not check the oil level if the engine is not warmed up. Do not sit on the motorcycle while the activity is on. Do not inspect the level immediately after warming up the engine. Allow the oil to settle. Never fill oil above the max level. The oil level is now alright. You are ready to gear up and ride out. Keep riding.